Year 2. Okay, today we're going to do a little bit more on spellings, okay? Now, I want you to tell me if you see Emu, because he's been a really naughty bird and he needs to be told off a lot. So if you see him, I need you to shout to me so that I can look for him and stop him, because he's stopping me teaching you, and that's not very good. And I don't think he's setting a very good example. Okay, so if you see him, start shouting. Okay. So today we're going to do prefixes. Okay, we've talked a lot about suffixes. Remember, suffixes go where in a word, if you think of a word. Okay, if I write a word on here, I'm going to write the word happy, because hopefully we're all feeling quite happy. So if we write the word happy on the board, okay, where would a suffix come? Okay, think about it. Okay, so suffix comes, that's right, at the end of a word. Okay, so we might change our word. Instead of happy, we could add ness to our word. So our word would become, because we have to get rid of that. Oh, let me get something to rub that off. We have to change it to happiness. And there we have a suffix, okay, because we've added it on the end of the word. Okay, a prefix is slightly different. A prefix, okay, we add at the beginning of the word. Okay, so it comes in front. So we would have, let me rub this bit off, we would have our word, which was happy, if you remember. So our word was happy, okay, and we would add a suffix, a prefix at the beginning. So our prefix would be un. So one of our prefix is unhappy. Okay, so we can change the word. So we're going to look at prefixes. And I've written some at the top of the board. Well, this isn't rubbing off very well today, is it? I hope you're still looking for emu. Okay, so we are going to be looking at prefixes. So we're going to look at sub, un, dis, miss, and re. Okay, so prefixes that we're looking at. So un, okay, if we put un in front of a word, that means not. So if I write happy and I change it to unhappy, it means that we're not happy. Okay, if I write the word lock and we put un in front of it, the word becomes, you say it, the word becomes unlock, which means it's not locked. So the prefix un means not. Okay, sub. You all know a great word with sub at the beginning. We've talked about it. Okay, so if we write the word marine, okay, and we put the word sub, I think emu's sneaking around. I'm noticing things happening. We have the word, and sub means under. Okay, sub means under. So under marine is under the water. Submarine. Okay, so now we have one over here. We have one re. Re, that's an odd one, isn't it? Okay, now this is one you know very well because it's something that I would have asked you to do. Okay, well I'm going to write the word do. Okay, and if we put re in front of do, what do we get? We get redo, and it's a word you would have heard me saying. Make sure you redo it. So re means again. It means do it again. Redo. Okay, so do those things again. And then we have dis and miss. Now I have spotted a naughty bird hanging around my board. Okay, and these words are good for him. Okay, so I'm going to write the word behave. You are all brilliant at behaving. You all behave beautifully. Okay, emu does not. And if I put this one, miss, in front of behave, I get, and you can say it, misbehave. Okay, that's what emu likes to do. Okay, it is a bit of a negative word. Okay, it's not doing the right thing, so misbehave. Okay, the last one is a bit like miss, it's dis. Okay, and again, Another great emu word. Okay, so we've got misbehave. Okay, and I'm going to write a word here. Can you say this word for me? Okay, so the word is obey. Okay, and obey is when you do the things that you've been told to do. You obey the rules. However, emu likes to disobey. Okay, disobey, not following the rules. Okay, so dis and miss are negative things, not doing the right thing. Un means not. Sub means under. Emu, are you disobeying? Okay, and re means again. So I'm going to put some words up for you to try and see if you can write them down. I've got the words written down here to remind me. You know, I always like my words to remind me. So I'm going to write the word fasten. Okay, so which of those prefixes could you put in front of fasten? I'm going to write the word agree. You all right, Emu? Are you trying to help me out? Okay, let me write some down and then you can tell me. Okay, I'm going to write the word appear. Okay, appear. Okay, I'm going to write the word lucky. Okay, do you know that one, Emu? Okay, are you lucky? Emu, what's the matter? What do you want to tell me? Okay, sorry? Oh, okay, he's just talking away. Okay, fasten, agree, appear, lucky, heading. I'm going to write that one down. Heading. Okay. And I'm going to write the word, oh, let's have a look. What shall I write? One that we've done, but see if you can remember which one it goes with. Behave. Okay, so you've got the words on there. Fasten, agree, appear, lucky, behave and heading. Can you decide which of the prefixes goes in front of those to make a new word? Okay, you might want to stop for a second and just see if you can work them out, and then we'll have a look at them. Okay, so stop it and think. Okay, so you should all have come back and you should all have worked them out. Okay, so let's see if we can work out which ones go where. Now, some of them are a bit tricky because they might go with more than one. Okay, so Emu, do you have any ideas? Okay, so we try fasten. Do you know that one? Okay, fasten, Emu. Okay, so Emu says it's sub-fasten. Is Emu right? I don't think he's right. We don't under-fasten, do we? Okay, what do you think it is? Everybody shout it. That's right. Emu, it's unfasten. Okay, unfasten. Thank you, Emu. But the children were right. It's unfasten. Okay, so let's try agree. Okay, which one goes in front of agree? What do you think, Emu? Go on. No, we don't re-agree. Sorry, Emu. Emu didn't get that one right either. Can you shout it for me? What prefix can we put in front of agree? That's right. Disagree. Thank you, Emu, for helping. But let's just try popping on disagree. Okay, so if you don't agree with something, you disagree with it. Okay, let's try appear, because this is a special one, appear, because there might be more than one that you've decided on. Okay, what do you think, Emu? Is it something that you can do? Okay, what can you do, Emu? What's Emu done? Ah, he's done two things. It could be, the first thing he did was disappear. Disappear. Okay, and then, Emu, what did you do? You disappeared and then you reappeared. So it could be disappear or reappear. Well done. Okay, so let's try lucky. Okay, what's going to go in front of lucky? Okay, what do you think, Emu? No, it's not sub-lucky. Okay, we'll go for unlucky. Emu's messed around with my glasses, so I can't see anything. Okay, unlucky. And the last one, oh, we've got two more. You know this one, behave. What's that one? Shout it. That's right, misbehave. Emu misbehaves. And the last one here, heading. Now we talk about this when we do our information text. We have our heading and we have something underneath it. The underneath is the clue. So what would it be? That's right, sub heading. Okay, well done. Okay, so to finish this bit, we're going to play a little game. Okay, and the game is called If I Were a Prefix, What Prefix Would I Be? So if I were a prefix, what prefix would I be? So I'll start. If I were a prefix, I would be un, because then I could come inside and unfreeze my frozen fingers by the fire. Okay. If emu was a prefix, emu would be miss, because emu would misbehave and make things messy everywhere. Okay. So if you were a prefix, what prefix would you be? Can you think of a sentence? Can you write it down, writing the right prefix in your sentence, remembering capital letters and full stops? Okay, I look forward to seeing your prefix sentences. Well done. Let's hope you manage to get your super prefixes in the right place. Thank you.